Our adventures began with travels around Australia and Southeast Asia with groups of friends keen to share in the adventure. We then took the plunge and spent a year travelling together. It began with us backpacking through Southeast Asia, exploring Thailand, the Philippines, China, and Japan. We saw wild animals, bought our own fishing boat, slept on deserted islands and spent time with locals. Next, we road tripped around Europe, stopping anywhere that piqued our interest. Now we've started our next adventure, travelling the world aboard our Leopard 45 sailing vessel Liger, trying to see and experience as much as we can in the time that we have.